Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Ernie's going to show his current trading account with the service, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description where you can find Ernie's course. And as always, I hope you enjoy guys.
So let's take a look at the dashboard. Now, the interesting thing is the account actually stopped right here. The rest of these trades are going into this new account, but it doesn't matter. So you can see I returned over 90%, and at one point it was above 95%. So we have a little drawdown that we're dealing with. And went from a 5-figure account that started below the pattern day trader rule minimum and then rose above that, just to show people that you could do that and that how to trade an account of this size and show people proper risk management and position size, etc. Now, one thing you'll see here is that the percent profitable seems kind of weird. Oh, it's only 46%. Yeah, but 46%, yet during that period I returned 95%. So obviously win rate isn't important. Also, the average winner to average loser is about 2 to 1. And you can see that there's huge winners. And now this has been exaggerated a little bit, the largest loser, because I switched over to a 6-figure account. And so I've included some of that data. And so the previous largest loser was much smaller than that. That was using a much larger account. Well, anyways, I'll explain that in a little bit. And the max drawdown under 6% over that period. And the average, and of course that's exaggerated too because of that last trade, and the average risk to reward was almost 1 to 10. This graph underneath, the equity graph up top, the red one in red is the drawdown, showing very little volatility and then increasing volatility, but always right around 5%, 5.5% right there. So it was a very well-contained strategy, consistent returns, etc. Now, if this is the way you would like to trade, this is what my service is all about, showing you that it is indeed possible to trade like this. And this is trading really with just a minimal size position size, never really going much more than a 1.5% of our total account size. So putting that to work and performing like this is really exceptional. People would love to be able to do this if they could put all the money to work, but they can't. And they'd love to be able to keep a drawdown to under 5 or 6%, but they can't. Now, this is trading the, I guess you would call it the number one strategy that we like to use because it's extremely flexible, can be used across many different market environments, volatility regimes, etc. It does very well. This is what I teach. Now, the account that I've gone to, and maybe I can show that, this is the number 2 account. Now you can see this is where I said, oh, I was going to explain why that very last trade shouldn't be counted because it was now part of a new account. And so what I did was I added $100,000 to this account, and I'm going to start trading that. Now I started off with a very tiny little drawdown under 2%, and we're coming out of that, and then I will resume going to the natural position size. So this will be a new account that I'm doing for 6-figure accounts. So what I did in the very first year of the service, I started with a 4-figure account. I tripled that. The second year, a 5-figure account, nearly doubled that, and then we'll see what we do with a 6-figure account. I'm expecting hopefully to 50%, 60%, somewhere around there. And that's with minimal volatility, minimal drawdown, etc.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button below. If there's any questions that you might have for Coach Ernie, make sure you leave them in the comment section. Thanks guys.